What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over the reasons why I didn't take a trade. Check it out. So guys, right here at the start, I'm going to let you know exactly what I'm looking for throughout the weekend leading into Monday. I'm going to look for three types of scenarios for Monday. Number one being we get good news out of the biotechs like Pfizer, letting us know vaccines are going to work or are looking like they're working well against the Omicron. Number two is going to be, if that happens, I'll look for calls on Monday. Number two is going to be bad news, maybe some hospitalization of people who contracted Omicron and were already vaccinated. If that happens on Monday, I'm looking for puts. And number three will be no news. If I get no news, then on Monday, I will more than likely look for puts if we see weakness. So that's going to be my plan. Now, if you want to stick around for the rest of the video where we go into details of how today went, stick around because we're going to jump into the charts right now. All right, guys, do me a quick favor as we jump into this video. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link to the free Discord down there. You can come join us in the Discord. You'll have it in the description and comment section. We look forward to trading with you in the room. And if you're looking for trade ideas, 15% off coupon code down there for the trade idea scanners that I use every day. All right, guys, let's get into this day here today. Let's take a look at these charts. And let's do a little recap on the morning. You know, this morning I said that it was like pulling teeth to get anything on the gap scans to make it to the watch list. Here's the watch list. We had SPY, CYAD, MRVL, LGVN all on watch today. And this is the dashboard over at daytraderchatroom.com. So if you're watching this on YouTube, there's going to be a link in the description section and comment section. You can sign up for the monthly plan and you get a trial period of the dashboard, or sign up for the yearly DTC Pro and you get access to all of this plus all the courses that are on here. Now, guys, this morning we were watching the SPY to the long side. Why? Because, well, yesterday we had a very strong bounce back day, very strong. If you look at this bounce back yesterday on the SPY, it's a huge green candle, and it wasn't on light volume either. We had really good comparable volume to the drop on that bounce back. So it's pretty strong volume. And then today, what I was looking for yesterday's high, that 459 area, to become an area of support. I was looking for it to become an area of support that could solidify the bounce back. You know, it could show us a strength. And then I said, okay, if we hold 459, we got room maybe to 461, 462 zone. You can see previous bottom right here, support zones in that level that could have held up as potential resistance today. We did not get up there before news came across talking about 30 some odd countries, with Omicron, and well, nobody liked that. And the SPY just got weak and just tremendously weak. So weak so that it never really provided a setup that one could get puts on comfortably. It just went. Like if we scroll back to when this news started to come out of the market right here, look at this, just straight down news. Straight down move. Straight down. All the way towards that 50-day moving average right here. All the way towards that 50-day moving average, and then we get a strong little bounce attempt off of that level. And then the president came out talking, and it was all nice and live, and you got that. This bounce attempt here, I thought, maybe if we get into VWAP and we show resistance there, maybe then, but we never even got up there. It's so weak, we never even got up there. Very, very frustrating morning with this tremendous weakness on the market. Never gave me a setup I could buy puts on, and that made it very difficult to just handle the day. Nonetheless, no trades for me on the SPY. There was one trade setup here that I missed out on, and I regret missing it, and it's the only one, really, and it was Tesla. Tesla, when the SPY started to bounce, Tesla started to get its bounce, and you see this 1056 line I have drawn here on the daily chart? At 1056, this bottom support, this bottom support, this bottom support, this bottom support. Well, we cracked that today and we bounced back into it where VWAP was at. You could see right here, into that zone we bounce. and we reject it. We don't quite get up in there. I did not really notice it, apart from the fact that it was so fast. And then we just go. This would have been a monster put option play, and one of the only cleanest setups that we had on here. Nonetheless, I'm not too mad at myself about missing it, because I honestly, truly did not expect this amount of weakness today. But this goes to show you how much headlines are moving the markets right now. This is why I'm not swinging anything overnight. Today's Friday. Going into the weekend, there's two types of headlines that might move these markets. Number one being maybe Pfizer or Moderna comes out and says, hey guys, you know, our stuff, it's cooking good and it's effective against Omicron. What do you think is going to happen if that comes across over the weekend? We're going to get a gap up on the markets. We're going to get a gap up and then hopefully a push. Or you get hospitalizations of fully vaccinated people that contracted Omicron over the weekend, right? And then the markets get even weaker and weaker, and we end up down here. Oops. We end up down here on the SPY testing this 100-day moving average in the 448 area. So those are the two headlines to look at, look for this weekend leading into Monday, and those are the two plans. If I get, there's three plans. If I get good news coming out of the biotechs regarding vaccines, I look for calls on Monday. If I get bad news regarding hospitalization, I look for puts on Monday. If we get no news on Monday and we close weak today, I look for puts on Monday. It's simple as that. And I look for that 100-day moving average to get tested. So those are the three plans that I'll be looking for this weekend going into Monday. It's going to be the SPY show for me so far on Monday. We'll see what happens. But no trades for me today, which is crazy because over the last 3 trading days, this week I traded on Monday. I traded on Tuesday. That's it. 2 trades. Not 2 trades, more than 2 trades. I traded like 5 times in those 2 days. But 2 days where I traded this week. I did not catch a trade on Wednesday. I did not trade on Thursday. And then today, Friday, no trade. I don't remember the last time I've had 3 no trade days in a row. I'm talking about years. Two no trade days in a row were already significant. 3? That's crazy. I think I just set a personal record. So, based off of what I've seen today, those are my 3 plans going into Saturday and what I'm going to be looking for. Friday. Damn it. Those are my 3 plans looking into Monday. So that's what I'm going to be looking for as far as headlines go into Friday evening, Saturday, and Sunday. And then I'll act accordingly on Monday, as well as obviously any pre-market headlines on Monday. So we'll see what happens, but that's going to be my plan going into Monday. Very, very short recap this morning because there's not a whole lot else to recap. Small caps weren't trading the best at all as usual lately. PTPI, just a real chop fest. Going into that push, Marvel obviously not a small cap, but this one with the huge gap up has faded a little bit, and then now going into lunch, broken up above VWAP there, and CYAD has been a chop fest against that 200-day moving average. So all in all, I'm not upset that I haven't had a trade today because there hasn't been anything clean with the exception of that Tesla put option play that could have been had. Outside of that, there was really nothing. So we'll move on with the day and see what happens over the weekend leading into Monday. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me today. Let me know what you traded. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. Remember, I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and I'll catch you on the next one.